Welcome to the future of driving. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW 3 Series, where innovation meets elegance, and performance intertwines with practicality. Exterior shots. The 2025 BMW 3 Series embodies BMW's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. From its bold exterior design to its cutting-edge technology, every aspect of this vehicle is crafted to elevate your driving experience. Interior shots. Step inside, and you'll find yourself immersed in luxury and innovation. The interior of the 2025 BMW 3 Series is a testament to BMW's dedication to craftsmanship and attention to detail. From the premium materials to the intuitive technology, every element is designed to enhance your comfort and convenience on the road. But it's not just about looks. The 2025 BMW 3 Series delivers exhilarating performance that will ignite your senses every time you hit the road. With powerful engines and advanced chassis technology, this car offers a driving experience unlike any other. In the 2025 BMW 3 Series, technology takes center stage. From the intelligent BMW personal assistant to the advanced driver assistance systems, this car is equipped with the latest innovations to keep you connected, informed, and safe on the road. And let's not forget about sustainability. With electric and hybrid options available, the 2025 BMW 3 Series is not only a thrill to drive but also a responsible choice for the environment. It's proof that you can have performance and sustainability in one stunning package. But perhaps what sets the BMW 3 Series apart is its versatility. Whether you're running errands in the city or embarking on a cross-country road trip, this car has you covered. With ample cargo space, comfortable seating, and a host of practical features, it's the perfect companion for any journey. So, if you're ready to experience the future of driving, look no further than the BMW 3 Series. With its combination of performance, luxury, and innovation, it's a car that's truly ahead of its time.